Hi everyone, it's Elizabeth Larson from Belleville Volkswagen showcasing this 2025 Tiguan Comfort Line with the sunroof package. Boy, have they made some substantial changes for 2025. They put the button here. It used to be on that side, now it's on the driver's side, which makes more sense. The seats are so totally comfortable. Amazing. Now comes with remote start standard, heated steering wheel standard, the quicker processor in the computer, the panoramic sunroof, and more. So if you'd like to know about this or any of our other amazing vehicles, come see me, Elizabeth Larson at Belleville Volkswagen, 239 North Front Street. Or give us a call, 613-966-3333. Chat with you soon.